Ever wondered if you could magically load your Apple gift card onto Apple Pay and spend it anywhere? Let's get straight to the point. Apple gift cards are fantastic, but their superpower is within the Apple ecosystem. That means you can use them to purchase apps from the App Store. They're perfect for subscriptions like Apple Music, iCloud storage, or even that new game you've been eyeing. You can also snag some cool accessories or a brand new iPhone at the Apple Store. But here's the catch: Apple gift cards can't be directly added to your Apple Pay wallet to use at your local grocery store or favorite clothing shop. Apple Pay is designed for credit and debit cards, not gift cards. However, you can redeem the gift card to your Apple account. This adds the value to your Apple account balance, which can then be used for Apple-related transactions. Think of it as fueling up your Apple account for all things Apple. So, while you can't directly use your Apple gift card with Apple Pay at just any store, you can use the funds from your Apple account balance within the Apple ecosystem to purchase anything from a new phone to a new app. Now you know the ins and outs of using your Apple gift card.